Hi everyone, this is video 2. This is about lesson 3 history, the first farmers and headers. The continuation of lesson 3 that I have posted already a video 1, this is video 2. First farmers and headers, the second page. First houses. Most people still lived in rock shelters and caves. However, some returned at the time of harvest to the places where they sowed seeds and stayed on until they had used up the crop. The people made their own primitive houses. Houses were usually built in the river valleys where there was plenty of water and fertile soil for growing crops. So they have made the houses near the rivers, okay, where they get the water and where the crops grow very well. Okay, near the crops, because they have to take care of the crops because animals can attack the crops and spoil them. So people were staying near the crops where there was water, near the river also. Next, paintings. Many of the cave and rock paintings found in India belong to the Mesolithic age. Red and white were the main colors used. Red and white were the main colors used. Colors were made from rocks and naturally available minerals. The paintings depict various activities of Mesolithic people and tell us about Mesolithic methods of hunting, fishing, collecting honey, religious worship, and so on. So through the paintings we come to know that red and white color only used. You can see in the book there is one picture there. You can see that picture. It is used only white and red color because they get only the natural minerals and use for paintings. And what are the paintings? They use the paintings how to hunt, how to fish, how to collect honey, and the religious worship. Before hunting and cutting the crops, they used to dance and do some worship. That and all they have painted in the rocks, okay, and caves. Next paragraph. It is interesting to note the close similarity between the poses depicted in such paintings and the tribal dances we see today. We can see the dances today that is also depicted in the paintings. These were probably dances performed in rituals before the men set out for hunting. Before they go for a hunting, they dance and enjoy. Then they bring the things hunting, animals. Next topic, burials. Burials means the dead bodies where they bury. Dead bodies of human and also the animals. Remains of human burials. Remains of human burials have been found at some Mesolithic sites. The dead were buried along with offerings such as food and ornaments. Means dead bodies were buried with the food and ornaments also. So through digging that they can find out which are the things they used that time. Let us see about Neolithic age. Till now we have seen about Mesolithic age. Now we are going to see about Mesolithic age. Neolithic age. Mesolithic age is the middle age. Now Neolithic age. Mesolithic is the time to farming and they have started farming and hunting. Neolithic age they have improved a lot. The period following the Mesolithic age is called the Neolithic age or New Stone Age. Some areas in India where Neolithic sites have been excavated. Excavated meaning digging up a mud. Okay, मिट्टी को खोद के निकालने को excavated बोलते हैं. There are some places are Kashmir, the northern Vindhyas, the middle Ganga Valley and eastern, northeastern and southern India. So these places we can see the Neolithic age things. Okay, so these are the Neolithic sites: Kashmir, northern Vindhyas, middle Ganga Valley and eastern and northeastern South India also. Next topic, farming and hunting. Farming and hunting. In the Neolithic age, man changed from a food gatherer to a food producer. पहले इकट्ठा करते थे, उसके बाद प्रोड्यूस करने लगे. He learned to take care of the crops he sowed and also reared animals. We know about the crops grown by Neolithic farmers from plant remains such as pollen and seeds found in soil deposits of that period. Pollen means the flowers के अंदर जो पाउडर होती है उसी को पोलन. साइंस यू माइट हैव स्टडीड इन द साइंस. जो पोलन होती हैं वो एक पाउडर है जो फ्लावर के अंदर होती है, दैट इज़ नोन एज पोलन. एंड सीड्स फाउंड इन सॉइल deposits of that period. For instance, archaeologists have found remains of wheat and lentils at Chiran in Bihar and horse gram at Teklaka Kota in Karnataka. The presence of charcoal in the soil at some places suggests clearing forest by fire. So they have found some places of Bihar and Karnataka these things of soil, seeds and under the mud. Next paragraph. Over the years, man learned to select, preserve and sow good quality seeds. ठीक है, they have learned to preserve बचा के रखने के लिए, अच्छे सीड्स को बचा के रखने के लिए सीखा है. Over the years, man learned to select, preserve and sow good quality seeds. Thus, domesticated plants became different from and better than wild plants of the same type.